Oficialmente ya voy a empezar a grabar. Vamos a tener un poco de energía primero. Hi. Hi, I'm JP. Welcome to the Instagram Followers to Clients course, the IFC for short, by Amaya Digital. In this first lesson, I'll show you how this course works. Let's start. For over 3 years, I worked day and night only on this. I spent over 55,000 euros on courses, coaching, and training. I made almost 8,000 Instagram posts to test what works. And after years of trial and error, I found what works. Now I run a company called Amaya Digital. And I created this course to help people like you. This course shows you how to turn Instagram followers into paying clients without needing to go viral, without dancing or doing silly trends, because those things get you random views, and random views don't pay your bills. This course is about making sales, actual money in your bank account. Here's what you learn. First, you learn what to sell. Second, you learn who to sell it to. Third, you learn how to sell it. And fourth, you learn how to post content that builds trust and also makes sales. And you get free tools that create content for you. I made special GPTs that write your posts, your stories, and your reels. It took me years, literally years, to make them. I wish I was kidding. I'm not. Some of them almost cost me my sanity. Yeah. But luckily for you, you get them for free inside this course. So let me show you how to use this course. There are 18 short lessons in total. Watch each video in order because each lesson builds on the one before. Below each video, you will find more info. Below this video, you will find the IFC workbook. This workbook has simple checklists and easy tasks. We'll use it for every lesson. I remember feeling stuck and tired. I know how that feels, but I also know you can change it. Free from a 9 to 5, from annoying bosses and annoying colleagues, free to spend time with your family, free to live your life. If you have questions, email me. And congrats on starting this journey. See you in lesson 2.